Hello guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine video. I just wanted to go briefly through viewport movement here because some people have, asked me how I speed up and slow down things and how I specifically move around. I mean, you can move around in multiple different ways, but generally I right click here and that gives me a look camera like you would in a game. If you hold the left mouse button at the same time, you can move around like this, which gives you a good up and down action, which is quite useful. But generally, I right click and press W, S, A, and D. This is because, well, they're gamers. So naturally, they add the game stuff. Now, how do I speed up and slow down? If you're holding right click and you use your mouse wheel, you can then really slow down or really speed up. Zoom in and zoom out. Now what you might notice is this up here. If you want to manually edit it, this is the camera speed, and then this is how it goes from there. You can go really slowly. And this works in any view. So if I'm in our first person character, I've got my movement, I can slow down, I keep slowing down and keep slowing down, or speed up. So yeah, it pretty much works in any view that has an actual viewport. But I hope this actually helps somebody. I know it's a rather simple thing, but some people don't really know. And if you come across over from something like Unity and things, you might not be as familiar with the movement controls. The other last movement control that you probably should know about is if you've got an object selected and you want to follow that. If you press Shift, and then when you drag, it will actually follow the object. And you can do that if you press Alt-Shift, it can duplicate the object and follow the object. So yeah, there are many like movement tricks you can use, but that is pretty much the basics I use. There's not really much else I use for mine. So I hope that helps. And yeah, thank you very much for joining, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.